Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolobe. Today we're back with another smartwatch review and this is the Dizo Watch R. Get it? Dizo Watch R. Watch R. It's a very smart name and this watch offers incredible value for money. So today in this video, let's have a detailed look at the Dizo Watch R, and today we're back with a cup of chai, and I hope that you are too, because chai is just love, my friends. Chai is love. Now if you don't know about Dizo is a new brand by Realme and they have been making some really good accessories. They have been making earbuds and smartwatches for quite some time now, and this one, the Dizo Watch R, really impressed me. First up, right off the bat, let's get the price out of the way. This watch will cost you 3,500 rupees. So let's keep that price in mind while I talk about all the features that it offers. Now this is a circular watch. It comes with a circular dial and the dial size is 45 mm. The design and build quality of this watch is amazing. It comes with a metal frame which is highly appreciated over here. Also, the watch itself is very lightweight. It is not a heavy watch. You won't feel a strain after you wear it on your wrist. It is a lightweight watch. As far as the strap goes, it is a rubber strap and the quality of the strap is also very good. It is not a cheap rubber. It is of high quality and feels premium as well. Now this watch comes with a couple of buttons. The first button can be used to lock and unlock your watch, and the second button can be used to directly go into sports mode. So if you quickly want to go into sports mode, you can just press that button and voila, you will have your sports mode right over there. So for the price, the design and build quality of this watch is top notch. Now as I said, this is a circular watch and comes with a 1.3 inches AMOLED display. Yes, AMOLED display at this price point. The pixel size is 360 by 360, which means it is a pixel dense display, and you can clearly see that in the watch as well. Like literally, you can see things quite clearly because of the display. The display is excellent. Now because it's an AMOLED panel, the brightness levels are also very good, so outdoor visibility is not an issue over here. If you use the watch in direct sunlight conditions, you will be able to see everything, and that is excellent. Also, you get always on display. Always on display is my favorite feature. You can quickly look at the time and the date without even turning your watch on. So yeah, always on display is highly appreciated over here and I really like it. Now obviously, always on display will consume more battery, but I think it is worth it. Like I think it is definitely worth it. Now this is a full touchscreen display and the touch response is a little bit slower. The entire UI of the watch feels a little slower. It's not the most smoothest out there. Don't get me wrong, it does not lag or anything like that, but it is not the most smoothest experience out there. I would have loved to see some more smoothness over here. That would have been the perfect scenario. Now talking about the UI is actually very simple and intuitive. You can literally start using the watch within minutes. There's no major learning curve as such. It is like a lot of other watches out there. It's very simple and intuitive. Now talking about the features, this watch comes with a pedometer, which means it will calculate all your steps. It also comes with a heart rate sensor and an SpO2 sensor as well. It is very important to have an SpO2 sensor these days, and this watch does have that. Now if we talk about sports, this watch comes with over 110 sports modes and you can calculate all your workouts. If you're running, cycling, playing badminton or anything else, then you can track your workouts, and that is a very handy feature. So fitness wise, you are covered with this smartwatch. Now along with the watch, you get a companion app as well. This is the Dizo app, and using this app you can control every aspect of the watch. First up, you can change watch faces. That is a very important aspect over here. You do get a variety of watch faces and you can go for the one that you want. You can also customize the watch face with the picture that you have, maybe a picture of your dog or your partner or your family. You can do that, and yes, that is available. Apart from that, you can enable notifications. You do get notifications on this smartwatch, but you cannot reply to them. You can just see the notifications, and you can customize the apps which will send you notifications on this smartwatch. So you can go into the settings inside the app and select individual applications which will send you notifications. Apart from that, you can keep a track of all your workouts, steps, heart rate sensor and everything inside the application itself. The app is designed beautifully, it is minimal and works really well. Now what about battery life and charging? Dizo claims that you will get a battery life of up to 10 days with this smartwatch, but in my testing period I got somewhere around 6 to 7 days of battery life. That is with always on display. So basically you will get 6 to 7 days of battery life, which I still feel is amazing. As far as charging goes, you do get a magnetic charger, but the charger is a little bit flimsy. It's not the best out there. The build quality of the charger is okayish and you might lose it as well. So make make sure you hold on to the charger and not lose it, because then you'll have to buy another one. So yeah, the charging cable quality could have been better. It's a little flimsy. Now this smartwatch is also water resistance up to 580 m. Yes, that's a good level of water resistance, and please make a note of that. All in all, for the price of rupees 3500, you are getting a lot of features over here, and the best part about this watch is that AMOLED display. I really like this smartwatch and it's offering incredible value for money. If you want to buy it, I'll make sure to drop a link to it in the description box below. So anyway, this was the Dizo Watch R. Do let me know how you feel about this video in the comment section down below. If you like this content, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. It would mean the world to me. My name is Harsh Punjabi, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.